Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to work with checkboxes with javafx. So let's create a simple application, new project, javafx project, and this is going to be checkboxes, and finish. Now we need to add fxml document, new, other, fxml document, and the name is going to be checkboxes. I'll open fxml document with scene builder, and this time I'm going to work with grid pane. I'll add some columns, grid pane, add row above, add row below, add some columns. Okay, I will have maybe 3 checkboxes and 3 labels. So in 1 label to display the information. Let's see, I'm looking for the checkboxes right here. So I want 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'll move them a little bit to another column because I want this column to become like a little bit of a padding here on the side. Which now you know that you can also achieve it in a different way as well. Create the padding for this, but that's how I prefer to do it. Checkboxes, I want to provide some text. So the first one will be female, so user will have to select some gender. Female, male, other. Let's see, what else do I want here? I want a label to display the information that I collect from the user. So this label, make it a little bit bigger. Initially it will have no text. I think that's it. Let's save the file. Go back to Eclipse. Click in the file. It will update the file. And what do we want next? We want to update our main class. So remove this 400 by 400. Change this to parent. Import the parent. Save the file. Then I'll grab a piece of code for the main class to load my fxml file. Like so. But the name is going to be checkboxes. Okay, that looks right. Save. Import fxml loader. Save again. Run it. Alright, I can see my checkboxes, but nothing is working yet. Let me close this. So now I need to add a controller. New class. Checkboxes controller. Actually, I will add the interface right away. Initializable. Finish. So this generates automatically the method for me and provides this implementation of initializable. Let's see. Now I want to declare the two, or not two, some properties here for all my controls. I'll just grab my code from here. So I have 3 checkboxes and 1 label. And let me import everything. Import. Let's see if I imported correct things. Looks right. Alright, so now I want to assign these IDs to my actual checkboxes. I'll go back to Scene Builder. I need to select my controller, and now for each checkbox I need to select the FX ID checkbox 1. This is very bad naming that I'm using here. Please try to name your checkboxes correctly, like better than what I'm doing here. So, and save. Okay, so just refresh this. Now I will add some code. Before I do anything else, I will run things to make sure I did not break anything. So it's not working yet, but at least I know that I did not break anything with my changes. Alright, what I want to do next, I need some method that will read the value that was selected, and it will populate the label. So I have something prepared here. javafx. So here what I'm doing, first I would run just code like that to see if I get this line. But I have already tested this earlier, so I'll just go and proceed to adding a controller, or not controller, the event handler to my checkboxes. So for each checkboxes on action, I'll call that method handle checkbox action, and save, and open this file to refresh and save. So what the code is going to do is it will set the label, empty label first, then it will read some values and update the label text. Let me run it now and see the behavior. So you can see it's adding things to my text. You can modify the logic in here to improve it, to make it better. But basically this is how you can read what the user has selected from the checkbox. Save. You don't have to read it each time he selects something. You can have, for your assignment, you can have only one action handler on a button, and when user clicks that, then you can read all the values from all of your controls.